Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horace Lewis, LB, representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one, you know where stand. Surfer, ever in demand, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now, Earthlings, on today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have Popcaan, the unruly boss, being featured as G British, and popular social media personnel Pretti speaks their mind towards the Clarks signing situation. Now, people, a lot of patrons are thinking that Vybz Kartel should deserve this endorsement and not Popcaan, but I'm going to play these clips for you guys. It's quite lengthy. You guys, I want you to definitely leave your comment in the comment section, and I'm going to analyze the situation right afterwards. Check out this clip.
Yeah, man, I say no up top, boss. I'm represent Dancehall Bomb. Hey, Dancehall Bomb. I bet we fuck up in ya.
You not have no blood class shears to clocks. You hear that? You never go number one, brother. You did up on a feature. You see me? Someone who love go ride in a man bumbo clad glory like when they do somebody. Now, remember when clocks come out, you know nobody in a Popcaan. You understand me? Popcaan, you know if you get no glory off of blood clot clocks, my friend. You's a feature. You's a nobody. When it come on to clocks, that is not no OVO shoes or no unruly shoes. That are Gaza shoes, my general. A Gaza say clocks, my friend. Remember say a Kartel who won't do much in peer when you have none. You see me? When clocks come out, it was not half a year creativity. You was just a little blood clot ink pan nail pan the bumbo clot song. You see me? So when you go put unruly pan bumbo clot clocks and bumbo clot red, that don't make no sense to me, my fam. Because unruly never say clocks. Nobody don't know of bumbo clot unruly if you say clocks. A Gaza say clocks, my general. Me don't know who over pussy you suck or body you lick out. For bumbo clot do that. But a Kartel and Gaza for them on that pussy, cause you know nobody. Bumbo will idiot boy. Me not glad for you. I'm glad for your mama. Oh, you see me? A Kartel sang do 42 weeks of Europe. 42 weeks of number one. Vybz Kartel featuring Popcaan and Vanessa Bling. Did 42 weeks at number one in a Europe. I remember it vividly. That was Kartel song, that was Kartel thing. And that is Kartel thing where him love his clocks and never you. You never love no blood clot clocks. A teacher love clocks. And the man billashed song out of the shoes of him rate. Now you run up and down and live in a man glory and I tell man story. Hey, short midget boy, let me tell you this. You need to go get a bumbo clock glory for yourself, bad man. When you create, boy, your Popcaan, you not create nothing, youth. Pussy, you not create nothing. A killer and Kartel alone not create. Bumbo will idiot, boy. Not even a successful blood clot artist, blood clot Popcaan can't push out. Every one of your artists, them when you push out, you turn around and bad mind them after a blood clot while. Like the sissy where your pussy clot be. Like the big old church mouse, the sissy, the corruption where your blood clot be. You not create nothing but you run up and down and stamp up and down in a clocks. Like a you did blood clot do 42 weeks. Brother, you is a feature. The song was created by the teacher. You don't know that? Your bumbo clot to run up and down in a clocks like you create something. What you create? Pussy, you not create nothing, youth. When Kartel say clocks, you never have two. We didn't even show him you have one. Kartel show you him umpteen pair of clocks that I have because I'm obsession. We love clocks. And you ride the man back like a donkey. For years, send him on a prison. Take you all I link them for around him and take everything from Kartel because you have a bad mind midget. Everything you see Kartel we did want it. Every blood clotting you see Kartel with your want it. You're the bad mind is blood clotting. I can't wait for them poison your blood clot because you love your belly. They so poison you, man. Because you see the way how your blood clot ride from people back, my boy. Nobody boy you on a donkey for you, my boy. You never say clocks, pussy.
Members of the fraternity, this is a great look for not only Popcaan but for dancehall people. Popcaan is definitely doing it big, people, and I congratulate him 100%. Now, people, these social media personnel all got it wrong, people. They are fans of Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel made a clock song. Yes, people, that does not mean that makes him credible to endorse the shoe. Now, people, Vybz Kartel is incarcerated. He cannot promote no form of shoe from behind bars. But people, check out this clip with G British opinion towards Popcaan, and then we're going to elaborate further on the situation afterwards.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang!
You know, me not trick myself in front of myself, you know. Me say salute to Vybz Kartel. You see me, cause if I never Vybz Kartel, system fish, on duty or off duty, would never get even a recognition for Clark. So, you see, a man like me as a real gorilla, big up to Vybz Kartel behind the bars and hold strong without no apology. And you see the youths them, I youths are my future, cause Vybz Kartel done prove that to the world already. Cause remember Vybz Kartel like only man in as an independent artist have a commercial platform. Cause Vybz Kartel build him own a soap. Vybz Kartel build him own a hard liquor without no apology. So that's why we know society not like him, you know. That's why society put him behind the bars innocently, and we say there's a freedom for Vybz Kartel without no apology, and we not trick ourselves in front of myself and duty. We don't know you're gone in a call. No, we not hear you clear your name with Kyle, you know. And me hear you back off of Denick. Me hear you back off of Tentic. Say, no man where you give strength can't gain a talk, but you put in a one opposite word. No man with rotten teeth can't gain a chat. So you say, if Tentic run into your link, you couldn't style him. That's why me, Mr. G British, respect Jaffras, cause anywhere Jaffras go, a buckles on top of buckles without no apology. And Jaffras, I don't know, yes man, and my own gorilla without no apology. And we not trick ourselves in front of ourselves. And so we conk on duty, or half duty, or on duty, Popcaan, and you me attack without no apology. Cause we not be subliminal. You see me? We just start the truth.
Why are we not happy for the youth? And I say, the man sell out Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel turn on and do 2 songs. Not 1, but 2 songs with Popcaan recently. You understand? So all that rumors where they are spread supposed to clear up now. You understand? Vybz Kartel not make Popcaan get a deal. Yeah? And the work where Popcaan are put in around the world, Clarks recognize. Why Clarks never stepped to them from 2011 when they did have the popular song and give them that deal? Why not that time? Why you not say because Vybz Kartel Popcaan get that deal? No, I do work with Popcaan. I don't know. Popcaan got England there that they and sell out how much venue and them things the Clarks are look on and give the youth a chance. You understand? And I can't say a Kartel, he look biased. Vybz Kartel never come out on him Instagram and congratulate him too. So we know say kinda get to him head, you know. But Kartel, if you leg off of them feelings, them man, you put yourself in that trouble when you did have the time to do what you have to do. So if you feel good for Popcaan too, you should have make whoever responsible for your Instagram account send him some congratulations like we see Bounty Killer do on Fame Instagram account, like we see Beanie Man do and some other artists. Not everybody feel a way for Popcaan, you know, and not everybody a bash him. Some people feel good for him. Fans, when you grow up and leg off of them things, Popcaan no inform on no one, and Popcaan never get this deal because of Vybz Kartel. A 2009 or 10 Clarks make and a 2023 winner now. If Clarks they give Vybz Kartel a deal, them gonna give him for them their road. You understand? Popcaan a put in work for dancehall, and people need to stop them thing. Stop them foolishness and pull down people when them get a deal. So Macka Diamond get a deal too with Walmart. We'll get down in that further on down in his story. Dancehall patrons need to understand by now that yes, me the first to say it, I don't know if me I be the last to say it, but Popcaan bigger than Vybz Kartel right now in a life, you know, people. Popcaan signed to OVO record that a dread them big company. Popcaan a do it big out the people. So I got attract clocks. People whole heap of brand go they want to deal with him and him just pick clocks because him love clocks as a yard man. Him think it will sell more with him people, you understand? Instead of some fancy Givenchy and some Louis Vuitton thing where few people can't even afford, you understand? So you would go have choices and just pick clocks out of just loving clocks, you understand? Now if you stop them thing them and Papi bigger than Kartel right now, and Papi a show Kartel whole heap of gratitude because me see Popcaan carry international artists a Kartel foot same way. Fabio foreign him do a nice collaboration with the other day and promote it on Fame platform, and Popcaan platform is bigger than Vybz Kartel one. Nobody know Vybz Kartel, but we who grew up on the music, no disrespect to the artist, very talented. Yes, you know all know him boss Popcaan, but Popcaan surpass him. Popcaan don't need nobody to flourish right now in the music. Now people, dancehall is definitely on its way back up again as deals are flying left and right. Macka Diamond Earthlings has grasped herself on a deal with Walmart people. That's the company in America, Walmart, the big super center where people can go and get definitely some good deals, people. So you know, see a Macka Diamond represent for them people. So we definitely are the good people. A Macka Diamond up there in our age people, but definitely nah tell no lie, members of the fraternity from Alkaline goes up boom and some Macka Diamond new roles, and Macka Diamond go on with a bad performance there. Should go on the road again, people. But check out this clip and we're gonna elaborate on the situation right afterwards.
Repost and tagging. Anything violate go and get a proper flagging. And the flossing king represent for dancehall bam, you know. Them for know say the #1 blogger. You understand? Big up my top shot a friend named Spragger. Anything violate get, you hear me I say? Murder.
There are some big partnership, special corporate deals that you have signed. Could you take it away and tell us about that?
Oh yes, so I'm proud to announce that now the social media brand partnership with Walmart. So right now I'm going to be looking forward to working with Walmart this month. So I'm excited for that.
That starts this month?
Yes.
Now Earthlings, there you have that clip of Macka Diamond being happy as a bee, people. I'm definitely feeling joyful for Macka Diamond, people. She's definitely in a happy mood, and I saw people feel happy, you know. People feel good, so them work I get acknowledged. That's a multi-million-dollar company can look for Macka Diamond as a Jamaican and give her the opportunity to be the social media brand ambassador for their company. She never really to disclose what she a promoter and such, but people, the eyes are going to on her. Me definitely I look out for see what she a deal with and so forth. So we know if a really deal or it's just a meal deal, you understand? Members of the fraternity, I have a clip to play for you guys as it resorts to the Phillip Paulwell's case. People, his family was murdered by a girlfriend, people, as the convicted killers sent a message out with their lawyer, people. I'm going to play it for you so you guys could hear, and we are going to analyze the situation right afterwards.
You know, foot the viral king is a viral thing, and we are represent for dancehall bam. You know, I'm one part as a dan, not as a gang. You hear that? Stay strong, yo, on YouTube. Click like and subscribe. You know, you got dancehall bam. Boom.
Well, the note that I have says, I just want to do the right thing. I want my lawyer to tell the family of the baby and mother and the Jamaican public that I am very sorry for the loss of their lives. I want my lawyer to also tell my mentor that I'm very sorry for the disappointment. I hope one day everyone will find it possible to forgive me, and he signs his name to it.
charges? What were the sentences for those?
Or he was charged with 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of kidnapping. So the other sentences were kidnapping, 2 counts, and those will run concurrently with the 30 years.
Now, people, I just think this is definitely just unjust and their voices should not be heard, people. No one should be sorry for them. They kill an innocent baby. Just think about it, people. A baby is so innocent and you take their life. And they described in court how you kill the baby. Say you was playing with the baby before you even kill the youth. You understand? You should have get the death penalty. And I don't know why they don't impose the death penalty in Jamaica. It should be imposed because these people just get 27 years of prison, people, and you know them behave themselves, them only gonna do like 10 or 12 and come back out the road again and do the same thing. But people, we are stay close to the case and really watch what really happen and see what will happen in the long run. Now, people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.